Oh, and for those of you playing along at home, I'm still yet to get the bolt out. That's the actual problem in the first place. And then I discovered that one the other day, yesterday. And that's always been snapped off at some stage in its life, so I've got to get that out. Not even the job that I wanted to do started yet. Yay! So I drilled that out and snapped my drill bit out. That was great. Had to smash that out, so everything got stuck in this hole. Drilled, cleaned out and tapped. As you can see, it needs to be washed. This whole thing needs to be done. Next minute, pull these. There you go. Press them out. Now why am I going to do that? I'm going to use the press, and I'll get a socket. It's about the same size, but an extension so I can get all the way through. Just going to press that out. Alright, that's the difference. You're going to be looking at it from about this distance away. You can see the castings and then the no castings. Oops, bash. I did the same thing for this little piece. Beautiful. Yeah. Next. Have I gone too far? Is my RatRod becoming too pretty? Maybe not. That's all painted up, drying. Won't take long. I can't assemble it because I don't have the rubbers to press in. It won't ever be that shiny. It's pretty dry, but it'll dull off to be more like this, so it's more subtle. That has to be cleaned up yet. I don't know what to do. I can clean it up and paint it and get it ready, or if I get the RatRod, it will be just a flat plate that I'll make out of 5mm or 4mm. 3mm will be too weak, and just have a plate instead of all this bullshit, so it doesn't look like that. It'll be just a plate. Do I paint these motherfuckers? What do you reckon? Bit of black in amongst everything, be alright.